At CSI, we often get asked, why should a small business owner choose monthly accounting over annual or do-it-yourself options? Well, we like to call ourselves the Mayo Clinic of accounting firms because we communicate in a comprehensive way and we offer personalized financial solutions by diving deep into your business. With that said, we want to make sure you're choosing the best option for your situation, so this video will tackle that common question head on. Annual accounting is fairly straightforward, like a routine annual checkup with your doctor. But as with health, your business's financial state can change rapidly and unexpectedly. Annual accounting might work for businesses with very simple financial situations or those whose financial activities remain relatively static throughout the year. But for businesses with more complex operations, an annual review may not catch the small issues that could snowball into significant problems. We're not knocking annual accountants. It's just that they lack the deep insight into your business because there are so many large gaps between the conversations with them. And if you do have questions, you'll have to bring them to your annual accountant rather than getting proactive advice. Now, imagine having regular health checkups for your business instead. That's what monthly accounting feels like. It's a more advanced approach, providing real-time insights into your financial health and minimizing unwelcome tax surprises. And nobody likes unwelcome tax bills. They feel like going in for a routine checkup and ending up with a major surgery. With a dedicated team like CSI working with you, we ensure that these surprises are kept to a minimum. You should also ask yourself, am I aiming for growth? If so, you'll want an accounting service that doesn't just respond, but actively provides insight and advice for profitability. Monthly accounting is an investment into your business, a strategic partnership that's geared towards your long-term success. As for DIY accounting software, it can be a cost-effective solution for very small businesses, startups, or freelancers with simple financial situations. However, it's akin to self-diagnosing a medical condition. Without an expert's guidance, you might miss subtleties, hidden opportunities, or potential pitfalls. As your business grows, so does its financial complexity. At CSI, we offer dedicated experts who understand your business inside and out. They ensure compliance, provide a tailored strategy to address financial concerns, and maintain an open line of communication. You'll always be in the loop with no unwelcome surprises. To wrap up, monthly accounting with CSI is best for small business owners who are profitable, who are looking to grow, and who value constant communication and strategic insight. On the other hand, businesses with simpler financial situations and those who prefer to handle their accounts personally may find annual or DIY options more suitable. Whatever you choose, we're here to help answer any questions you have. Schedule a consultation with us today, or you can learn more about the benefits of working with a monthly accountant here. Thanks for watching.